Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Instagram Edits app for videos. So let's get straight into the video. So as you can see, this is going to be the dashboard when you open it. Of course, you're not going to have as many projects, but you want to simply go ahead and click on the plus icon. By the way, you can also use templates right over here. There are going to be multiple templates that you can just click and go. That is as simple as that. There's also your stickers tab. You can add multiple stickers if you want to, ideas and so on. There's also a record tab where you can simply go ahead and record even with a teleprompter, by the way. And there's also your insights tab. Now, when you click on the plus, you can either record or go to gallery. I'm just going to go to gallery for now. And this is where I can simply go ahead and select a video. So let's just say, for example, this video, okay? And now I can simply go ahead and tap on it. And as you can see, I can split between the videos. So if I want to cut a certain part out, I can split two sides and then delete the one in the middle. You can also adjust your speed, so you can make it faster, slower. You can also play around with the volume of the clip. You can also go ahead and add effects to the clip. You can delete it if you want to. You can add filters. You can cut out things. You can add voice enhance, crop the video, transform the video, mirror the video. You can add overlays to it. You can also mask it if you want to, and so on. There's a lot of different features that you can go ahead and play around with, but this is a complete beginner's guide. So that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.